There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Thursday, the 30th of July. I'm James Spann. Showers and thunderstorms developing pretty rapidly across the state this afternoon. We'll see those around in coming days. And, of course, we're watching Tropical Storm Isaias, which is in the Caribbean, moving up towards southern Florida. We'll talk about that and a new disturbance as well. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country this afternoon. Again, we've got a fairly weak ridge here. The air loft is fairly cold and the air somewhat unstable. The main heat bubble in the country is out west. There's the visible satellite view. Showers and storms developing across the northern half of the state. But so far, the activity fairly limited. That was at 1:52 this afternoon, but we're expecting to see a marked increase in showers and storms over the next 4 or 5 hours. But the good news, we're still below average. Temperatures in the 80s, and we'll take that. That's not bad for a late July day, as we are now at the climatological peak of the summer heat. Flash flood watches north of the state, from southern Missouri over into West Virginia. And out west under the heat bubble, we have a number of states under excessive heat warnings. Here's the severe weather risk for the rest of today and tonight, a risk all the way from West Texas up into New England, including the far northwest corner of Alabama. And some of the storms that pop up there this evening could produce some strong gusty winds. Tomorrow, a marginal risk, and again, that includes the Tennessee Valley of North Alabama, down into counties like Marion and Winston, Cullman. And the main threat will be from strong winds. And on day 3, which is Saturday, again, a marginal risk that kind of clips that northwestern corner of the state. But notice South Alabama looks dry on Saturday, so if you're beach-bound, that's good news. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The big rains will be hugging the Atlantic coast with our tropical system. There's a look at the Alabama situation, 1 to 2 inches for the Tennessee Valley, lighter amounts on down to the south. And speaking of the tropics, Isaias, watching that carefully today, coming across Hispaniola, the mountainous island. And typically these things are torn apart and they reform. That's exactly what's happening today. Looks like the new center beginning to form north of the island. Here's the latest track from the Hurricane Center. The eastward adjustment continues. They bring it up just off the east coast of Florida on Sunday as a tropical storm, then recurving northeast, again, kind of an east coast runner type situation, maybe coming across the Outer Banks Monday night, but at least it's moving along quickly. This thing will not sit and stall like a Dorian. This is the model output. Again, they're tightly clustered in pretty good agreement with the NHC track, maybe a little farther to the east. This is the GFS ensemble, again, the classic East Coast runner look. And again, you know, here's the intensity guidance, and most models keep this a tropical storm. But that water's pretty warm. That thing hits the Gulf Stream, and it might pop into a Category 1 hurricane. But again, thankfully, it's moving quickly. So here comes our next one, way out there in the eastern Atlantic. This is just off the coast of Africa. This is Invest 93. And most of the models want to take this one north instead of moving west as it traditionally would do, a northward motion. So for now, we'll discount that, but just keep an eye on it. Model fans, here we go, the GFS. The 12Z run valid tomorrow at 4. Pretty good little trough north and west of the state. That's the reason we've got that marginal risk of severe storms for the northwestern part of the state. And down below that, again, warm, humid, scattered showers and storms around highs mid to upper 80s. Same thing on Saturday. Scattered storms, very humid. High Saturday, 87 to 90. Isaias coming up just off the east coast of Florida. This is Sunday, tropical system east of Jacksonville. And notice we're pretty dry. And again, it could be Alabama will be in a subsidence ring, sinking air motion on the periphery of the tropical system. That happens sometimes. So if this were to verify, Sunday would be relatively dry. And the high would be in the upper 80s. And really the same thing on Monday. And again, the GFS, and this is the deterministic output, obviously. It puts Isaias into far eastern North Carolina. So everybody from, Key West and Miami all the way up to Cape Cod, they're going to have to watch this thing. But no, for Alabama, no impact. The central Gulf Coast, no impact. Tuesday, moisture increases. Here's Wednesday, and here's a week from today, Thursday the 6th. Again, broad troughing to the west, and that looks like we'll have a few scattered showers and storms around. But no sign of any really excessively hot weather. Let's go out 10 days, Sunday, August 9th. Heights about where they should be, and again, some sun, scattered storms, typical August weather. This is the rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble. The mean approaching 2 inches for the next 15 days. Temperatures, we can live with these numbers. We can be in triple-digit heat this time of the year. But we're looking at mostly upper 80s and low 90s for a while. And the CPC outlook, August 6th through the 12th, showing temperatures at or below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.